Multiply 16,000 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 2 times 6 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. The first partial product is 32,000. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. The second partial product is 160,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the thousands column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the 10 negative thousands column, 3 plus 6 is 9. In the hundred negative thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 192,000. So 16,000 times 12 is 192,000.